Hey everybody, Captain Jim Palmer, the Dream Business Coach. Welcome to my floating home. I'm very excited to share with you some information about a training program that is now available to you. I'm calling this Restart, Reinvigorate, and Re-Energize Your Business in 30 days or less. We recently surveyed over 10,000 entrepreneurs and small business owners who follow me, who are on my email list, etc., asking a series of questions like what would be the 1 to 4, 5, or 6 things, and rank them. How could we help you grow your business faster? And the top 4 lessons that people wanted to learn from me was how to discover untapped markets by becoming the number one person in your niche by doing something your competitors won't do or can't do, how to create irresistible offers, how to take whatever it is you do, product or service related, and making it from sort of a ordinary humdrum offer and to make it something that's completely irresistible. Next, how to grow your profits, significantly boost your revenues and your profits by tapping into something called retention. Okay, this is very, very important. I've been doing this for 20 to 30 years. And the next thing is how to raise cash quickly. Everybody can benefit from this. I'm actually going to give you inside word for word scripts on how to generate cash very, very quickly. All 4 of these powerful lessons are really, really cool. But you know what? Actually, I'm going to share this with you. There was the 5th lesson, which came in almost tied for 4th, and I've actually packed this in. And so the 5th lesson that I'm sharing with you is establishing market dominance by owning your own media. So many people try and rely on other people's platforms instead of owning your own media. It's very, very important lesson. So again, Module 1, Market Dominance, owning your own media and discovering untapped markets that your competition is ignoring. Module number 2, how to create irresistible offers, all right? How to take an ordinary offer and make it so irresistible that people will say yes. Module number 3, retention profits, keeping the customers you have longer, and how to use those customers or how to offer those customers to some interesting ways to generate more profits through repeat and referral business. And number 4, quick cash now, proven strategies to boost your revenues almost on demand. The best thing about this training program is it is all recorded. There's handouts, there's modules. You can take this training as quickly as you want, as slow as you want. You can take it as many times as you want. Again, there's tools, there's scripts, there's worksheets, 24-hour download, instant access. And this is absolutely going to be a game changer for you and your business. I hope you take advantage of it. This is some really, really magnificent training that I think is going to help you, whether you're in a product or service-related business, B2B, B2C. These 4 training modules, actually 5, these 5 training modules are going to help you in a very big way. I hope you take the training. I hope to see you inside. I am Captain Jim Palmer, the Dream Business Coach. You take good care.